Alrighty, Casey Camera Boy here, working on the First Amendment. Not I did see these people respect our freedom to record. I'm here with the SUV News First and Riverside Accountability.
He came all messed up this time with his camera. Look at him.
Hi guys. What are you today? This guy's recording me.
Close. You like men or what?
Harassment.
You like men?
Harassment.
You like men? Why are you getting so close?
Harassment. Those
You
are
want a kiss
personal
or what?
questions. You
You
should
want a
not
kiss?
ask me.
You want a kiss?
Yeah, give it to me. Right here, look.
Ni tienes in the pussy or what?
Yeah, in my you want to suck it?
Hell no, that shit's probably dirty as hell, dog.
Just like your ass cheeks, man.
Yeah, you know, huh? You have experience.
Yeah,
you know what dirty ass cheeks look like, don't you?
Yeah,
You sick mother.
just
Get
ask
out of
your-
here.
Just ask your
Get
mother.
out of here, crybaby.
Just ask your
Get out of here,
mother.
crybaby. Get out of here,
Look
crybaby.
at this Sasquash.
Look who's talking.
Rent a cop.
Look who's talking. Film
Lame
yourself. Film yourself.
I can't. I
Film
am.
yourself. Turn the camera on yourself, Sasquatch. Hurry up.
Hi.
Hurry up.
Hi. I don't take any shit from
Yeah, you just did. You
No,
just
I'm not.
did.
No, I didn't.
You just did. You
making
came
a
all
movie?
messed up. Look at you.
I always come messed up. Homie.
Yeah, whatever. Hide your identity. Put your glasses on and everything. What I got right here. Yeah, that's like wearing a condom right there, dude. What's up? What's up with that?
Safety first.
Safety first.
What are you
Got
doing
condom.
here? Mace, you gonna make me
Who's
now?
scared? Who's scared, man?
I'm
Who's
scared.
scared?
Where'd
You
go?
scared?
No.
Yeah, you are.
Why would I be
You came all
scared?
messed up, so we don't know who you are. Look
That's
at
my
you.
company. Go
Look
ahead.
at you, man. Look at you all messed up.
Why you hiding your
Like a
identity? You
condom.
scared?
Like a condom right here. Look at condom head right here, dude.
Oh, you're so funny, bro. You're so funny. Fuck, I'm so laughing. Oh, you got plenty of jokes, bro.
Says the guy filming us.
I can film too, just like you're filming me. Why not? I want to be like you guys. I want to be the same like you guys.
Very good. Good for you.
Ooh, in the street and everything, like you
You're doing a
guys.
good job, except for you got vertical vision, man.
I got vertical vision?
You
You don't even need my doctor. How would you know?
Come
I
on.
don't know what
Get
that
a
means.
doctor for that vertical vision, man.
You're going to get a fucking chop all that shit off.
Shut up, man.
It's vertical vision.
Shut up, man. Get out of here. If your break's gonna end, then you're gonna have to go back to work, man. That's a lot.
Someone's got to make
It's a
money.
lot.
It's a month?
A month. Go pay your bills, man. Be responsible.
I
Acting
am
like a
responsible.
thug.
I'm a man.
Acting
I
like a
take care of
thug,
my
man.
stuff, my family and everything.
Let me see, open. Let me see the mask.
I don't have
Take
to.
the mask
I don't
off.
have to. I don't have to.
Disgraceful, man.
No, it's not.
Take
I'm
the
not doing
condom off.
nothing.
Take the condom off.
Están locos.
What's that comer?
Están locos.
Exacto. Listen to mommy, dude. Listen to mommy.
Están locos.
Listen to mommy. Take one action.
You guys are going on World Star. Let's go. Woo!
Yeah, look at the world star hiding his face in the condom wrapper. Check out. So approaching the smallest guy here, trying to intimidate him. Back to work.
Hey,
man.
come help us. We need
Back
help.
to work,
There's
man.
a heavy work over there,
Back to
bro.
work.
Real man's
Hurry
job
up.
over here.
Dude, go do your hard work over there, man.
Oh, yeah? You're
Here's
my
those
dad or
little
what?
chips you got.
You're my
Go
dad
for
or
it.
what? You're my dad? You're my
Now.
dad or what?
Hurry up.
You're my dad or what?
Hell yeah, I'm your daddy. You know it.
You ain't sh-
Yeah, you're
You
gonna
ain't
be my littlest.
You ain't sh-
And what are you?
Don't worry about what I am.
Take the mask off.
I don't have to.
Take
Have to do what you say.
that condom
It's a
wrapper
free
off, man.
country.
You cover your mouth, but not your nose. What's the point of that?
Dude, this is not for COVID. You know what it's for?
It's to hide your condom face. It's
To
to hide that dick
camouflage in
face
the
you got, man.
wilderness. Ooh, I'm in the
That's what it
wilderness.
is. That's what condoms are for.
When I walk back, fool, that means you're a ass, fool.
Oh,
I
geez.
thought
You've
you
been
had
right
some.
here
What
the
do
whole
you
time.
mean?
I've been
I
opening
just
my
said-
mouth the whole
you
time.
said
What are you
the
talking
lamest
about?
shit.
Oh, no, 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 no.
What are you talking about?
Oh, no, 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 no. Allahu Akbar.
Everybody go choke on the burrito.
Say it to my face, dog.
Go choke on that
Say it on my face. Say it on my face.
You ain't gonna do shit.
I'm not. Just say it to my
exactly.
face.
Go choke on that burrito.
You
Fool.
ain't gonna
Say it
do
louder.
shit, dude.
I already did. I don't gotta,
Why
I
you
don't gotta
scared?
listen to you.
Say it louder.
Nobody's scared of you,
Choke on
dog.
that burrito.
Nobody's
Fool.
scared
I'm
of
not a
you,
choker. This is for your
chaval.
mom, dog. I bought it for your mom, dog.
Palabra. Nobody's scared of you, dog.
I don't care. I'm not trying to be
Yeah,
intimidated.
you are.
I'm
Yeah,
not
you are.
mad
That's
or
why you're
nothing.
coming over here with your burrito and that condom head, dog. You're dancing to my words now, huh? Yeah, it's like your daddy.
Giovanni. All right, cool. Let me get his name.
Dog,
Giovanni, take two. Take two. Giovanni goes back. What's your back? His back. He says move to his back, bro. Now he's gonna do the burrito. He's gonna eat that burrito with shame.
All I was doing was talking, bro.
Damn.
You're trying to be a tough guy, you couldn't handle it.
Time to enjoy his burrito with shame, bro.
Truth never lies.
very enojado there. He still doesn't want to have his burrito shamed though.
Hell no, he's not gonna eat lunch today.
No.
Daddy said.
Is there something we can help you guys with?
Cut. That's the wrong line. Cut.
Do you guys speak? Do you guys understand what we're saying? Do you speak
You
English?
speak English? What the?
Okay, they look pretty good.
Is that a profile or what?
Let's not give them a
Is that a profile?
Damn,
we got
sick.
English in public?
Because I'm asking you a question, you're
Oh,
responding.
What does that mean?
What do you guys
You
hear?
don't understand English or you speak it?
Oh.
Yeah.
Who are you?
That's some sick behavior.
Who are
Who
you?
are you?
I run the place here. Who are
I run the place? Hi, I run the place. What's your last name?
Right? Sounds like it.
Who are you? Do you have any
I
idea?
run the
with you?
place. What's your last name?
I run the place. The last name.
I run the place. I run the place.
Who are you?
Oh, damn. His name is I run the place. I run the place.
Let me see your KCT News.
KCT News now.
What's that?
Houston Exact.
KCT News. Are you local or?
Cut. That's the wrong line. Let's go ahead and cut the scene. Let's go ahead and start again. 3, 2, 1, action. I run the place. I run the place. What's your middle name? Do you have a middle name? His name is. We're gonna call the authorities.
That's his name?
They said that there's 5 or 6
Behind
people
you.
out here, dude. You can't
5 or 6?
You can't count either.
Damn, they can't count and they can't know if people know English. Cut.
They're trying to escalate the situation. Wouldn't be surprised if there's somebody out here.
White hat. You see white hat?
Please take pictures.
White hat. Who are you again?
Stay here.
Oh yeah, right away. Right away, Daddy. Right away, Daddy. I'll stay right here for you. Cut.
Man, I couldn't get that, but they're doing the closing of shame there. They're closing the magic gate. That's the magic gate. We can film True anymore. Wow. That's a closing of shame. He's even shaking. He can't even close it. That's a closing of shame straight up. Can't even see no more. So they say. So they told us to wait, but we've been pacing back and forth and nothing happened. So might cut it out here. If not, I'll turn it back on. But if not, go like, share, and subscribe to SGV News First and Riverside Accountability. Know what I'm saying? It's all the way over there.